Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into Ableton Live. I've been using this DAW for over a decade, and after all this time, there are a few simple tips that I keep coming back to again and again. So if you're tired of long-winded tutorials and just want practical production tips that actually make a difference, this one's for you. Let's jump into 5 Ableton Live production tips you'll actually use. Tip 1. Use built-in plugins. Over the years, I've picked up a ton of third-party plugins. Waves, FabFilter, Soundtoys, you name it. But I'm telling you right now, I still use a ton of Ableton's stock plugins. EQ8, Compressor, Saturator, Delay. These tools are powerful, lightweight, and already built into your DAW. And the biggest win? You learn them inside and out. It's not always about the brand of the tool you use, but how well you know how to use it. Tip 2. Create and use a songwriting template. If you're opening a blank project every time you want to write something, you're wasting creative energy. Build a custom songwriting template with your favorite instruments, plugins, routing, and even MIDI tracks already in place. This saves you so much time and gets you straight into the creative zone. I have mine set up with a drum kit, some synths, guitar inputs, and even a vocal chain, ready to go. Now, if you're thinking, that sounds awesome, but I don't even know where to start with building a songwriting template, don't worry. I've actually put together a free Ableton songwriting template you can download and start using right away. It's the exact setup I use to get ideas down fast, complete with drum routing, instrument placeholders, and even a basic vocal chain. Just click the link in the description below, drop your email, and I'll send it straight to you. Totally free, my way of helping you hit record faster and get creative sooner. Tip 3. Use color coding and track groups. This might seem basic, but trust me, it makes a massive difference. Color coding your tracks and using groups, for example, all your drums in blue, vocals in yellow, makes navigating your session way faster. It helps with focus, makes editing cleaner, and when you go to mix, everything's already organized. Tip 4. Save custom racks. Got a vocal chain you love, a killer drum bus you use in every song? Save it as a custom rack. Just drag your effect chain into the browser, give it a name, and now it's there for you whenever you need it. This is especially helpful for maintaining a consistent sound across different sessions or projects. Tip 5. Automate early, not just at the end. Most people think of automation as something you do at the end, but automation is a creative tool, not just a technical one. You can use it to build tension, shape movement, or make transitions hit harder. Try automating filter sweeps on synths, delay throws on vocals, or volume ramps during your arrangement phase. In Ableton, automation is super visual and intuitive, so don't wait till the end. Use it to bring your song to life early on. And those are 5 Ableton Live tips you'll actually use. Not just the flashy ones, but the ones that make your workflow smoother, your music tighter, and your process more enjoyable. If this video helped you out, go ahead and smash that like button, leave a comment with your favorite tip, or share a tip of your own, and of course, subscribe for more content on music production, creativity, and real-world studio life. I'll see you in the next one. Keep creating.